Chapter 15: Art and Culture. Introduction to the chapter. Indian people everywhere love to have fun. They spend time with their family to see movies, enjoy good food and listen to all kinds of music. India has a strong cultural history that can be seen in its intricate dance forms and varied visual art. In learning about the food, art and entertainment of this vast nation, you may get a better understanding of the traditions of the past and the culture that is alive today. Languages of India. People of India speak many languages. The Constitution of India recognizes 22 languages. These are Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Mathili, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santhali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. Hindi is the official language of India and is also spoken by a majority of Indians. Indian languages are written in two different ways. Most of them are written from left to right. But Kashmiri, Sindhi and Urdu are written from right to left. Each language has a set of letters in which it is written, known as its script. Dance of India. Folk and classical are the two types of dance and music in India. Indian folk and tribal dances are simple group dances that are performed to express joy. Some folk dances have become very popular. These include the energetic Bhangra of Punjab, Ghumar of Rajasthan, Ras Garba of Gujarat, Lavani of Maharashtra and the Bihu of Assam. The tribal dances of the Nagas, Mizos, Santhals, Bhils and Gonds are very colorful. The main classical dances of India include the Bharatnatyam of Tamil Nadu, Kuchipudi of Andhra Pradesh, Kathak of Uttar Pradesh, Odissi of Odisha, Manipuri of Manipur, Satriya of Assam, Mohiniyattam and Kathkali of Kerala and the Yakshagana of Karnataka. Dresses of India. The people of India wear different dresses. Each state and region of India has its own dress. Women generally wear saris and salwar kameez. The sari is worn in different ways in different parts of India. Men in cities wear trousers and shirts. In some states, kurta pajama, shirtlungi and kurta dhoti are popular. In Tamil Nadu, a lungi is called veshti and in Kerala, mundu. Women of Assam wear mekhla chadar, a two-piece sari. The mekhla is wrapped like a lungi and the chadar is draped separately to cover the upper body. Women in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh wear ghaghra cholis. They cover their heads with bright veils called urnis. Music of India. There are two main styles of classical music in our country. Hindustani music developed in the north and Carnatic music in the south. There have been many great singers in our country since the earliest times. Tansen sang in the court of Emperor Akbar. Today, Pandit Jasraj is a great vocalist. Ustad Zakir Hussain, tabla, Pandit Hariprasad Chaursia, flute, and Ustad Amjad Ali Khan, sarod, are famous musicians. Different musical instruments are used in classical music. The veena, sitar, sarod, shehnai, flute, harmonium, tabla and mridangam are some popular musical instruments. Architecture. India is a land of beautiful monuments and buildings. The ruins of the Indus Valley civilization, the stupas built by Emperor Ashoka at Sanchi, Sarnath, the temples of Mablipuram are wonderful examples of our architectural traditions. The Kailash temple at Ellora has been carved from a single block of stone. The Sun temple at Konark, Meenakshi temple at Madurai, Khajuraho temples in Madhya Pradesh and the Jain temples of Mount Abu and Ranakpur are famous for their architecture. The Mughals brought their own style of architecture to India. The Taj Mahal in Agra, with its dome and minarets, is a beautiful monument. Festivals of India. Many festivals are celebrated in India. These festivals are of three main types. The national festivals include Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. You celebrate many religious festivals such as Diwali, Dashehra, Durga Puja, Ganesh Chaturthi, Christmas, Eid-ul-Fitr, Eid-ul-Juha, Gurpurab, Budh Purnima and Mahavir Jayanti. Some festivals are celebrated in particular seasons. Basant Panchami and Holi are festivals of spring. Baisakhi in Punjab, Bihu in Assam, Pongal in Tamil Nadu and Onam in Kerala are harvest festivals. Paintings. Human beings have always been fond of drawing pictures. Early humans painted on the walls of the caves they lived in. These paintings show animals being hunted. The paintings at the Ajanta caves in Maharashtra show scenes from the life of Lord Buddha. The Mughal emperors invited painters from other countries to their courts. These artists made the art of miniature painting popular in India.